So you made it. New country, new rules, and your old money habits, they don't work here. You're not just learning a new language, you're learning a new financial system, credit scores, 401ks, high yield savings. It's overwhelming. Back home, you knew how to hustle. Here, your instincts feel lost. Sending money home, building a life here, and figuring out why a piece of plastic controls your future. It's a lot. But you're not behind. You're just starting a new chapter. Whether you moved for family, freedom, or a future, starting over financially is tough. But you're not alone. We're going to cut through the jargon and bad advice. This is about building a solid foundation, brick by brick. Welcome to Money Talks with Adia. Today, let's rebuild your finances from scratch. Adia. Okay, let's get started on the path to financial clarity. The very first step before you do anything else is to conduct a thorough financial autopsy. Think of it as a deep dive into your current financial situation. This isn't meant to be scary, just a checkup. A snapshot of where you stand right now. We need to understand the full picture before we can start making improvements. It's about gathering information, not assigning blame. To get a clear picture, you need the real numbers, the hard data that reflects your actual spending and income. No estimates, no approximations. We're aiming for accuracy here. That means tracking every dollar in and every dollar out. Every single transaction, no matter how small, needs to be accounted for. This is the foundation upon which you'll build your financial future. So, grab a notebook, a spreadsheet, or download a budgeting app, whatever tool feels most comfortable and intuitive for you. The key is to choose something you'll actually use consistently. The specific tool doesn't really matter, but consistent tracking does. It's the act of recording your financial activity that brings awareness and allows you to identify patterns. For the next 30 days, commit to tracking every single transaction. This is a crucial period for gathering data and understanding your spending habits. Coffee, bus fare, that pack of gum. Write it all down, every single penny. Don't underestimate the power of tracking even the smallest expenses. They add up. Now let's talk about income. List all your income. That includes your main job, any side gigs you might have, and any cash jobs you're doing. Be thorough and don't leave anything out. Print your pay stub and carefully highlight all the deductions. This is important for understanding where your money is going before it even reaches your bank account. It's crucial to know your real take-home pay. This is the actual amount you have available to spend and save after taxes and other deductions. Now let's move on to debts. This can be a sensitive area, but it's essential to face it head on. List every single debt you have. Include who you owe the money to, the total amount you owe, and the interest rates you're paying. This information is critical for developing a debt repayment strategy. Remember, there's no shame, just facts. We're simply gathering information to understand the landscape of your debt. Next, let's consider your assets. These are the things you own that have value. So, what do you own? Take some time to think about everything you possess that could be considered an asset. Even if it's just a few dollars in your bank account or an old car, write it down. Every little bit counts and contributes to your overall financial picture. This entire process isn't about judgment or self-criticism. It's about gaining a clear and objective understanding of your current financial situation. It's about knowing your starting line so you can chart a course towards your financial goals with confidence and clarity. After diligently tracking for 30 days, you'll have your personal financial statement, a comprehensive overview of your financial life. This includes your income, your expenses, your debts, and your assets, all the key components of your financial health. This is your truth, your financial reality laid bare. It might not be pretty, it might even be a little uncomfortable, but it's real and it's the foundation you need to move forward. From here, you can clearly see where the leaks are in your spending, where your money is disappearing without you even realizing it. You can identify areas where to cut back and also recognize where you have opportunities to save more or even increase your income. This financial autopsy is the essential foundation for your financial reset, the starting point for building a healthier and more secure financial future. So don't skip it. This is the most important step in taking control of your finances. You've diligently gathered your essential numbers, your social security number, your tax ID. Now the crucial question arises, where does your money currently reside? Is it strategically positioned to work for you, or is it simply existing? If your hard-earned money is currently residing in a shoebox under your bed or stashed away in some other unconventional hiding place, it's definitely time to level up your financial game. It's time to transition from outdated methods to modern, secure, and growth-oriented banking practices. Relying on cash-only transactions keeps you financially invisible in today's world. It means no credit history, no access to loans for significant investments like a home or business, and ultimately, no future financial power or opportunities to build wealth. You're essentially excluded from the modern financial system. The first step towards financial empowerment is to open 2 essential bank accounts. Start with a free checking account. This will serve as the central hub for your day-to-day financial activities. Look for a checking account with absolutely no hidden fees and no minimum balance requirements. These fees can quickly eat into your savings, so it's crucial to find an account that allows you to keep more of your money. Complement your checking account with a high-yield savings account, HISA. This is where you'll park your savings to earn significantly more interest than a traditional savings account. Think of your checking account as your money's headquarters, the central command center for all your financial transactions. It's where your paychecks come in via direct deposit, where your bills are paid electronically, and where you begin building a clear and traceable paper trail of your financial activity. This is essential for establishing your financial credibility. Your HISA, on the other hand, is your savings VIP lounge, a place where your money can relax and grow at an accelerated rate. It offers significantly higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, making your money work harder for you. Plus, it's designed to be a little harder to dip into impulsively, encouraging you to save consistently. Next, let's tackle credit. In this country and increasingly globally, your credit score is your financial passport. It's a key indicator of your financial trustworthiness and opens doors to various opportunities. If you're starting from scratch, the best way to begin building credit is with a secured credit card. With a secured card, you deposit, say, $300 of your own money, and that becomes your $300 credit limit. Then use this card responsibly to pay for one small recurring bill, like your phone bill or a streaming subscription. The most crucial step is to pay it off in full and always on time, every single month. This demonstrates responsible credit management. Consistent on-time payments are the key to building your credit history from zero, gradually establishing a positive track record. Another excellent option is to explore a credit builder loan at a local credit union. They are often more community-focused and willing to work with individuals with limited credit history. With a credit builder loan, you make regular payments over a set period, which helps you build credit. The best part? You get your money back at the end of the loan term, essentially making it a forced savings plan that simultaneously boosts your credit score. The ultimate goal is to get on the credit ladder. Even if you're just starting on the very first rung, every step you take towards building credit brings you closer to achieving your financial dreams. Let's talk about sending money home. It's love, it's duty, but you have to put on your own financial oxygen mask first. If you send every spare dollar home and an emergency hits here, you're in crisis, and then you can't help anyone. Your first priority, build a starter emergency fund. Aim for $500, then $1,000. Automate it. Set up a weekly transfer from checking to your HISA. Make it invisible, like a tax for your future self. Keep it in the bank, not under your mattress. It's safer and earns interest. This fund is your buffer. It turns emergencies into inconveniences, not disasters. Once you have it, you'll feel more secure and you can help your family sustainably. You can't pour from an empty cup. Fill yours first. Credit scores matter here, but you don't need debt to build one. The myth, you have to carry a balance and pay interest. The truth, pay your card in full, every month, no interest needed. Use your secured card for one small recurring bill, like your phone or Spotify. Set up autopay from your checking account to pay the full balance before the due date. Never miss a payment. One late payment can hurt your score for years. Keep your credit utilization low. Don't max out your card. After 6 to 12 months of perfect payments, your score grows and you can upgrade to a regular card. Building credit is a marathon. Be patient, be consistent, and never pay unnecessary interest. That's how you win the credit game. Investing isn't just for the rich or for those who feel like they have all the answers. It's not some exclusive club. It's for everyone, regardless of their background or current financial situation. Don't let complex jargon or intimidating charts scare you away. It's the most powerful tool for building long-term wealth. A tool that can help you achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, retiring comfortably, or simply having more financial security. It's about taking control of your financial future. And the best part, you can start now. You don't need a fortune to begin. Even small, consistent investments can make a big difference over time. The important thing is to take that first step. The biggest mistake, waiting for more money, waiting until you feel ready. But the truth is, there will never be a perfect time. The real secret is starting early, even with a small amount. Even if it's just the spare change you have lying around. Compound growth is your friend. It's the magic that happens when your earnings start earning their own money. Your money makes money, and that money makes more money. It's a snowball effect that can significantly boost your wealth over the long term. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes. Start with a tax-advantaged retirement account. These accounts offer special tax benefits that can help you save even more, like a Roth IRA for US, where your money grows tax-free and you don't pay taxes when you withdraw it in retirement, or TFSA for Canada, which offers similar tax advantages for your savings. Inside, buy a low-fee index fund or ETF. These are baskets of stocks that track a particular market index, like the S&P 500. It's like owning a piece of the whole market, giving you instant diversification and reducing your risk. Simple and diversified. This approach takes the guesswork out of investing and helps you build a solid foundation for long-term growth. Not sure where to start? Feeling overwhelmed by all the options? Try a robo-advisor. These platforms use algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Set up an automatic transfer, even $50 a month or whatever amount fits your budget, and let it grow. Consistency is key. Even small regular investments can add up to significant wealth over time. Don't panic when markets dip. Market downturns are a normal part of the investment cycle. Keep contributing and let time do the work. Think of it as buying stocks on sale. You're planting a money tree for your future. A tree that will provide shade and security for you and your loved ones for years to come. Shame can be heavier than debt. You might feel like you've lost status or failed by starting over, but you didn't start late. You started brave. Every immigrant success story begins at the beginning. Use every resource available. Free workshops, food banks, community support. There's no shame in getting help. Be frugal, not cheap. Thrift stores, secondhand, and free events are your friends. This is your scrappy season. Get creative, cook at home, find free fun. Don't waste money impressing people who don't matter. Your real friends and family are proud of your journey. Every dollar you save is a dollar toward your foundation. Emergency fund, credit, investments. Own your financial reset. Be proud of your resourcefulness. You don't have to do everything at once. Focus on one clear, achievable goal. Pick your first mission. Save $1,000. Pay off a secured card or cover school supplies without debt. Write it down, set a deadline, and post it where you'll see it daily. Break it into small steps. Weekly targets make big goals manageable. Track your progress visually. Every step forward is a win. Success breeds success. Start with one goal and build momentum. Rebuilding your financial life in a new country is hard, but you've got the blueprint now. Understand your numbers, get the right accounts, build a safety net, establish credit, start investing, drop the shame, and focus on one goal. This is your declaration of independence, your chance to build a stronger foundation than before. You have the grit and resilience. Now you have the plan. Let's turn knowledge into action. What step are you starting with today? Drop a comment. Let's support each other. Like, share, and subscribe for honest immigrant money advice every week.